Welcome to pacpack Packing Machineries. We are a leading provider of sustainable packaging solutions for the food and non-food industries. At pacpack, we understand the importance of efficient and environmentally friendly packaging. That's why we offer a wide range of cutting-edge packaging machines that not only ensure high-quality packaging but also minimize the impact on the environment. With our state-of-the-art technology, we offer customized packaging solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need packaging for food products, beverages, personal care items, or chemicals, we have the perfect filling packing solutions for you. With our state-of-the-art technology, we offer customized packaging solutions tailored to your specific needs. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing top-notch after-sales service and support. We guide you through the entire process, from choosing the right machine to installation and maintenance. And if you ever need assistance, our customer support team is just a phone call away. To learn more about our sustainable packaging solutions, get in touch with us today at 807-517-8757 or visit us at www.pacpack.in. Partner with pacpack and experience the future of packaging technology.